Hey, what's up guys? So today I'll be giving you a quick update towards Latafa Afkar kasi talagang nagandahan ako and I really appreciated the performance and the smell of this during last Thursday when I wore it during our Buwan ng Wika celebration. And additional lang guys, it is actually now available at Westworld sa Orange app. So if gusto nyong maka-less for like mabili nyo lang for like 700 pesos, you can go to Orange app right now kasi may stock pa sila. Ayan, available na siya. It's actually 710 but I bought it for like devil's number. All I can say, devil's number. Yeah. Basta yan, ganyan. Okay, so let's go with the review. All I can say, talagang compliment magnet si Latafa Afkar. This one is again, dupe of Latafa, or I mean, Mancera Instant Crush. But I don't have Instant Crush na OG. All I can do is compare it with Sapphire. But yeah, this one opens up with a very mogo-mogo-ish type of scent, like a lychee, and then quickly dries down into that smelly, burnt cotton candy. Oh my gosh. With a hint of spicy. That's why this one has a similarity with Baccarat Rouge 540. But this one, may ginger lang. Wore this and entered sa jeep, then boom, talagang balibag ulo yung mga pasahero during that time. Plus, when I got to the school, talagang boom, balibag ulo rin pati parents. And I even got a compliment from, I think, 3 or 2 parent that time. Plus, with a student pa. So, talagang compliment magnet itong si Latafa Afkar. For longevity, I was quite surprised even though medyo extensive yung activities that I did because I was a coordinator of Buwan ng Wika. Wala lang, share ko lang. Anyway, it lasted for like a whole 8 plus or 10 to 12 hours on my skin. Pag-abot ko sa balay or pag-abot ko sa aming bahay, andun pa rin yung smell. Oh my God, nagbalik ka sa Ilonggo. Sorry. Anyway, all I can say, this one is a beast. The only downside of it is you will not appreciate yourself. Why? Very nose blinding ang ganitong scent. Even sa inspired sa Sapphire, I do get nose blind then. All I can say, inspired which hindi nakaka-blind or nakaka-nose blind is that yung take ng Oxygen. Yung Rich Amber, I think, yung yellow na bottle nila. Yeah. Nevertheless, Afkar, bang for the buck. Only downside lang makuha mo dito is you will not smell yourself. Pero, very compliment magnet siya. So, go na, bili na sa Westworld. Hindi ako affiliate, but if you're looking for this, I know maraming nag-comment that time, nag-message sa akin about saan ko to nabili. Go check Westworld right now. Open na siya. Go buy it.